the key point, is it or isn't it possible for a human being to say no? Are we just fated by the metaphysics of the washing machine always to go in the direction of new, more efficient technologies? And if so, at what expense? Because, okay, fine, the washing machine is the washing machine, but the processes behind the desire for comfortable self-preservation, the use of technology to that end, culminate, when Dugin does this full analysis, in the threat of total dehumanization, in the threat of total, like, behind the metaphysics of the washing machine, when you extrapolate to its full conclusion, you have the replacement of humanity by technology. And then we're into a serious problem, because what if you care about the human being? What if you care about the war against the human nature? Well, then it's a few steps from one to the other. And that's why he raises this concern.